not yet back to monetize, but I'm here to say hi. Hello to my subscriber. Hello, good evening, guys. I'm going to update my channel. What happened to my channel now? Hello, how are you? How is my how is my subscriber doing? Oh, I make a comment. Make a comment. Hello, Sister Kutak. Hello, hi. Good evening from Philippines. Thank you guys for supporting all the subscribers for supporting to have my 100k. I'm happy, even though my channel is not yet back monetized. I'm happy to reach my 100k. Thank you guys. Without you guys watching on my channel, I can't reach that. So I'm happy to get my silver button. Silver button soon. Hello, Vidora. Hi, nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too. Hello, well, the Yundum. Hi, oh well. Shall we? Shall we well? My son is asleep already. Hello, my dear friend. How are you? Hello, Parbat, Sanju, San Ho. Hi. It's about 5 days ago. Not going to live. Hello, Faros Khan. Oh, beautiful baby Ismael. Oh, Ismael, body meds. If you're new to my channel, please click the button subscribe. You're looking very beautiful. Oh, really? Oh, really? Thank you, thank you. Oh, saan ka? Hindi. From ano ako? From Sambuanga del Norte. Sa Rica Beach. Hello, good evening, Sir Rica Beach. Joseph, upat mayang gabi. Mayang gabi, Joseph. Hello, thank you for joining on live. Thank you for sharing your time to come on my live. So guys, let's support again the Naomi Single Moms vlog. I will reapply this coming June 24. So I need your views, guys. I need you to subscribe. For you Philippines, hello, I'm from Indo. Sa Agnes Nessa. Beautiful dress, thank you. It's a sample dress. Ngayong gabi, Juicy Pukat. Oh. Hello to my 57 viewers. If you're new to my channel, click the button subscribe, like, comment, and share also my live. Hello 61 viewers. Hi. I'm OA tonight, overacting. Even though my blood is out. Oh my god. Hello, thank you for the 6 like. Hello sa Turkotak, beautiful mom. Thank you. My makmak is asleep already. Come until you one day for me. Have you got what? I'm happy, guys. Pwede ko. Anong pwede? Maging jowa. So beautiful. Thank you. Enjoy lang ako dito sa pag live streaming kahit saan. I have also my video live because for the meantime that my channel now it's in Naomi Single Moms is not yet monetized back, so I get another Shane's dangerous sexy. No, it's not because when I do more sexy, that's the cause of my demonetization on my channel, so I take care of my channel again.